Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another arrival from eBay. I've been looking forward to this one getting here. This is a Marx 595. I got this for $6.82 and I was the only bidder. So going to be interesting to see what this looks like. So let's open this up and see. Oh, my razor blade's getting dull. See what kind of condition this is in. Well, not wrapped very well. I can see that right off the bat. Alright, let me get this out of the way. Alright, there it is. Marx 595. This is stamped steel, of course. And I have a real affection for these stamped steel engines. I had one of these when I was a kid. In fact, I had a 595, this exact same locomotive. It's missing a screw, as you can see, but overall condition, let's take a look at this. Overall condition is actually not bad at all. There's no damage to it. Missing that screw. It's got a ding there. We can touch that up pretty quick. It looks like it's been oiled. There's definitely oil on the motor. So $6.82, and I was the only bidder on this. So now the question is, will it run? Let's put it on a rail. Let me grab the camera off the tripod. Let's see what we have here. All right, we'll put it on track. We're on track 2. All right, power is on. Let's see what happens. It runs backwards. It runs forwards. $6.82. Whoop. There we go. And it sounds like it could use some oil. All right, let's put this on a consist. I'll put it on the Lionel since I've got it sitting right here. All right, a Marx 595. $6.82 on eBay. I was the only bidder. Let's see what happens. Look at that. Well, as you can see, it was definitely worth the $6.82. It even has a headlight in it. That's running at 40% power, pulling, I think it's 10 Lionel cars. 13 Lionel cars, actually. So, I gotta say it, don't overlook the junk. $6.82 on eBay. I was the only bidder. I watched this for about 10 days. And I remain the only bidder on it. I have no idea why. $6.82, one part out of this is worth that much. And as you can see, it's running absolutely perfectly. Forwards and backwards. Really difficult to beat that. $6.82, I was the only bidder. I always wonder about stuff like this. Anyway, so I will get this lube tuned, cleaned up. This is going to be a great addition to the collection. And how do you beat the price? $6.82. Just absolutely unbelievable. So I just want to do a quick video on this. Really amazing the stuff you can find on eBay. It's in really decent condition. It's got a ding right there in one of the markers, but I can touch that up in just a matter of seconds. And it's got a bit of rust, but there's no damage to it, as you can see. It's got some play wear, but it doesn't have much run time. And why no one bid on this, I have no idea. $6.82. I was the only bidder on this locomotive. And it's up and running. And this is right out of the box. I haven't even done anything to it yet. So I'll clean the brushes and the armature, get it lubed and tuned, and this is going to run absolutely perfectly, I guarantee you. As you can see for yourself, pulling 13 Lionel cars right out of the box. So, I will pull this apart, get it lubed and tuned, cleaned up, and this is going to be a great addition to the collection, and it was absolutely dirt cheap. $6.82. How can you beat that? Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.